Mr. Speaker, I rise today to give an update on our government's direction for early childhood development. Mr. Speaker, our government believes early childhood development is a key investment for our province's future. The period of early childhood affords us opportunities to offer key support for our labor force and provides cost avoidance in the justice system, social services, the health system, and public safety. Intervening early in a system that is integrated and inclusive reinforces healthy development and provides greater support for children and families. Depuis son arrivée au pouvoir, le gouvernement Alward travaille incessamment avec les familles et le partenariat en vue de bâtir un système de développement de la petite enfance qui est accessible et abordable, tout en assurant de façon intégrée et inclusive un apprentissage de soins et un soutien de qualité. First, our government made the bold decision to join the Early Childhood Development Branch with the Department of Education to form a new department called Education and Early Childhood Development, providing a continuum for child development and learning for children from ages to 18. I am pleased to say the transition has been positive and has already provided great opportunities for children, families, and agencies. Notre gouvernement croit un renforcement des liens entre le système d'éducation publique et la petite enfance. Nous continuons de créer 4 projets pilotes de développement de la petite enfance dans des écoles publiques en partenariat avec la Fondation de la famille de Margaret and Wallace McCain, qui a pris aussi 5 autres projets pilotes. Monsieur le Président, des résultats initiaux positifs découlent de mesures favorisant l'intégration et approchant des services aux familles. Our government has increased the budget for early childhood development programs by nearly $5 million this year. In a time of fiscal restraint, this new investment demonstrates a real commitment to our future. Over the past year, the number of child care spaces has increased in the province. We supported the private sector in the opening of 50 new licensed early learning centers, adding over 1,100 spaces for children and 177 for infants. We are well on our way of meeting our target to increase the number of early learning and care spaces to total 30,000 by 2014. Monsieur le Président, nous avons augmenté l'investissement dans le service de garde d'enfants pour aider les familles à faible revenu à avoir accès à ce service et nous assurons un financement plus important pour bonifier les salaires d'éducateurs qualifiés en service de garde. Additionally, we have increased the budget by close to $2 million to support the preschool autism intervention program. The more intervention we can provide in the early years will make a more successful transition to school and beyond. Notre gouvernement de mieux résolu à collaborer avec les parents, les collectivités de Nouveau-Brunswick et nos divers partenaires afin d'améliorer les services à la petite enfance. Mr. Speaker, last March I announced the creation of the Ministerial Advisory Committee on Child Care and Early Learning, designed to develop an action plan based on our government's platform commitments on improving the quality and accessibility of services and ensure that they are more accessible, affordable, and inclusive. I am also pleased to be co-chair of GACEF, an action group that works towards the accomplishment of the dual mission of Acadian and Francophone schools, academic success and identity building for children. GACEF has identified early childhood development as a key priority moving forward. We will continue to enhance early childhood services as a key strategy to protect and improve language and culture in francophone communities. Je suis convaincu que grâce au travail des communautés et aux résultats des consultations sur le renouvellement du gouvernement, nous serons en mesure d'élaborer un système qui répondra aux besoins des familles de notre province et qui aidera à bâtir une province plus forte pour l'avenir. As noted in the speech from the throne, the department has been consulting stakeholders about necessary changes to the unproclaimed Early Learning and Child Care Act passed in the legislature in April 2010. The Act, along with the regulations, will be proclaimed and approved by government only once all our partners have been consulted and engaged. In closing, Mr. Speaker, we are on the right track for creating a more integrated and uniform approach to providing New Brunswick families with the early childhood services they expect, they deserve, and they need in order for us to have a stronger province. We are doing more, and we are doing it together. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.